What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into this video, I want to tell everybody thank you out there for watching all my recent videos. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. We're constantly just like little by little taking off. But today we're installing the Bosch spark plugs on the Civic. So recently, the other day, my car would not turn on, and I think I know what the problem was. It's because I haven't replaced the spark plug since I bought the car. This is a used Honda Civic, by the way. The car had 85,000 miles on it when I purchased it. When it got to 100,000 miles, I still did not worry about replacing the spark plugs, and today I want to do that. These are the spark plugs I bought. I bought the Bosch spark plugs. I went to AutoZone. The guy told me he recommends anybody to buy Bosch spark plugs. So hopefully this does the job. Before I drop this car for paint, just want to make sure I got all my maintenance done. I don't want to have any problems when I get it back. So that's what we're doing today. We're replacing the spark plugs on the Honda Civic. This should be an easy process to do. I've seen videos on it. It wasn't really nothing hard at all. Just a couple bolts I have to loosen, and that's it. So let's jump into this video and let's install these spark plugs. All right, before I get to the spark plug, the first thing I need to remove is this bolt right here. What you need is a 10mm socket to remove it. So let's do that first. Alright, so there is the spark plug right there. In order to get this out, I recommend you to get a 5/8 spark plug socket. Easily just like that. Get out your local part store and it should be easier. You don't have to worry about anything getting stuck down there. So let's get this one out and see how this spark plug looks. Alright, so I loosened the spark plug. Now I'm gonna get these needle nose pliers and reach down there and grab the spark plug out. Look at that right there. That's why she's spitting. Yeah, it was definitely time to change these spark plugs on this car. That is horrible. So this is the brand new spark plug. This is going to help the car out a lot. So take my advice, change your spark plugs, don't wait. So let's put the new ones in. 1 down, 3 to go. Alright, so the first one is in. Now it's time to do all 3 of them and get this out the way. Alright, so we're done. Replace all the old spark plugs with the new spark plugs. Let's turn this car on and see what happens. Here it goes. voila. That's how you and that's how you replace old spark plugs with new spark plugs. Guys, I recommend you replace your spark plugs. If they're looking like mine, replace them. If you over 100,000 miles and you haven't never replaced your spark plugs on your car, please replace your spark plugs, okay? And also remember that legit is out.